Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at an effective support and resistance indicator for MT4. Okay, the indicator we are going to be discussing in this video is the zone indicator. Okay, I'm just going to be adding the zone indicator to the chart right away. Okay, here we go. So this is the zone indicator. If you have ever struggled with drawing support and resistance levels, or you are tired of doing it manually, then this indicator is going to change the way you trade. Okay, as you can see, it automatically identifies support and resistance zones on your chart. Okay, it is a forex trading tool that is designed to automatically detect and plot strong support and resistance levels on your chart. Okay, these zones are areas where price is likely to react and bounce or reverse, making them crucial for entry and exit points in trading. Now, instead of guessing where to draw your key levels, this indicator does all the technical analysis for you. Okay, you can see here it identified a possible reversal point. In fact, a level that has been rejected in the past. Here again, a level that has been rejected in the past, and here and here. So subsequently, when price reverses to this zone, there is a tendency that it's going to get rejected again. Now, it doesn't mean that support and resistance levels are not broken. Yeah, it just means that there is a chance of the price getting rejected again. Okay, you can see this particular level. You can see that just recently, you can see that over the past is it few days, from 5th March to is it 19th March, so in less than 2 weeks, price was rejected around this level twice, right? So it shows that those levels are strong levels that price tends to be rejected when it revisits that level. Then at some point it could eventually get broken, but at least you can take advantage of the rejection at the time when it happens. Okay, so how does this indicator work? Basically, it's super easy, right? As you can see, the functionality of the indicator is straightforward, right? It identifies high probability support and resistance areas and marks them using color-coded bars, right? You can see that green bars represent support zones where price has a higher chance of bouncing up. You can see a bounce that happened here, a bounce happened here, a bounce happened here, a bounce happened here and here, right? Then the red bars indicate resistance zones where price is likely to reject and move down. All right, you can see what happened here, what happened here, what happened here, here, and so on. Okay, so by simply looking at your chart, you can immediately identify key levels without needing to manually analyze historical price action. Okay, so why should you use the zone indicator? You might be wondering, why should I use this indicator? What am I going to gain from using this indicator? Well, in addition to automatically identifying your levels for you, this indicator saves you time. Of course, as it identifies the levels automatically for you, it's going to save you time from doing the manual work, right? No more spending hours drawing support and resistance levels, because this indicator automatically does that for you. And it's also great for beginners. If you ask me, if you are new to forex trading, this tool helps you learn key price levels instantly, because as a newbie, you might be confused sometimes how to identify effective support and resistance levels if you are a newbie, right? So this indicator can help you to automatically identify these levels, saving you the stress. Okay, over time you can learn to do it manually. Okay, I'm going to recommend that every newbie should at least know how to identify these levels themselves. But for the time being, while you are still learning, yes, while you are still learning, this indicator can at least help you identify these levels. Okay, then with the indicator doing that for you over and over and over again, you can even be able to spot these levels automatically yourself. All right, because you must have already learned how to do that with the aid of this indicator. Okay, and then this indicator works on any time frame, whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading. The indicator provides good zones. As you can see on the chart, it provides good zones for decision making. Okay, and it enhances trend trading. All right, this indicator identifies strong breakouts and reversals at major support and resistance levels. If we're going to look at a couple of examples on this chart, you can see that okay, the indicator actually maintains recent price activity levels, right? So you can see that all the levels that has been identified by this chart, there were actually some important price action around those zones. All right, there were important price action around those zones. So how can you inculcate these into your trading strategy? How do you take advantage of this? How do you actually make money from this, right? You might be wondering that. So first of all, let us just look at buy setups, and we're going to look at sell setups. Okay, so for a buy setup, basically super easy. When price approaches a green support area, okay, remember that the indicator has already identified areas for you. So when price approaches a green support zone, okay, all you just have to do is watch out for signs. Okay, watch out for signs of price bouncing. Once a bullish candlestick pattern appears, for example, look at what happened here, right? Can you see this pattern? Can you see that a morning star formed around here? Remember that a morning star is a bullish candlestick pattern. Now look at this. You can see that a morning star appeared here. After this morning star appeared, it would have been a great time to enter a buy. So what you just have to do is when price gets to the green zones, just look for a bullish candlestick pattern. Look for any bullish candlestick pattern that you can find, any signs of a bullish reversal or a bullish continuation. Once you have gotten your confirmation, you can enter your buy trade, set your stop loss below the support, and then your take profit can be at the next resistance. So in this case, this would have been a good time to enter a buy. Our stop loss could have been below this support, and then our take profit can be at this resistance. Super easy, right? Then for your sell setup, just watch out for price getting to resistance zone, okay? A zone that has been identified by the indicator. So at this point, after you have gotten the, after you have seen price get to the resistance, watch out for a bearish candlestick pattern. You can see in this case, we had a bearish engulfing, right? We had a bearish engulfing around here. So this would have been a good time to enter a sell, and our stop loss could have been above the resistance, and our take profit can be at the next support zone. You can see that the indicator gave us a support zone around here. So you would have entered here, stop loss both here, take profit around here. Okay, super easy. All right. The zones are important levels for setting your, the important references for setting your stop losses and take profits based on price reaction. Okay, so while this indicator works on all time frames, it's actually more reliable on higher time frames like the H4, the daily, the weekly charts, right, and so on. Okay, so this indicator is quite an effective tool for Forex traders who use support and resistance in their strategies. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this indicator takes the guesswork out of technical analysis and helps you trade with confidence. Okay, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading strategies. Let me know in the comments if you use the zone indicator in your trading. See you in the next video, and happy trading.